Alright, so it is Wednesday, July 9th, 2025, and it's midsummer. And I did a startup and shutdown, a single startup and shutdown in each of these, back in April. And I did a startup of this unit back in May. And I said I was gonna go to Florida, which I got back from, 2 days ago. And I said I was gonna do the midsummer startup and shutdown when I get back. So yeah. I'm going to do the midsummer startup and shutdown of the two Trane XR series air conditioner heat pumps. I wanted to do this video yesterday because it was like over 100 degrees. It was like 100 degrees outside right now. But I was not feeling that well yesterday. And plus, this one was on compressor lockout, so the startup was not how I wanted it to be. So yeah, I'm going to redo the video today. So yeah, I'm going to start this one up, and then I'm going to pause the camera, and I'm going to do this one. So yeah, alright, I'll be right back. Alright, so there we go. They both started up. And this one actually turned out really good because it was not on compressor lockout. I shut it off before I started the video, but I wanted to wait a little bit before I did it. That way it wouldn't be on. Because you can't shut down a unit and then 2 minutes later you can start it back up. Or 1 minute because the compressor needs time to like reset, so yeah. Yeah, and here's the Goodman. This is the GSZ13 1.5 ton from 2011. So yeah. Alright, so here we go. That's all 410A refrigerant. It's a 3.5 ton from March of 2022. It has a Gentech motor. A Lions flow compressor. There's a reversing valve. It's looking really good. Midwest disconnect boxes. So you guys may not like me for this, but I kind of wish they both had LG scroll compressors. Some people do not like LGs, some people do. I'm one of the people that do like LGs because they are a lot quieter than the Alliance scroll compressors. This one's a little bit louder in heat mode, but not much. So, yeah. And you guys may think I'm also crazy for this, but again, like I said, it was like over 100 degrees outside yesterday, and I like that weather every single day. Like, not 80s, not 70s, high 90s every single day with the humidity. So, yeah. Leave a comment down below if you agree with me or I'm just being crazy, but yeah. 14 sear. There's a person out for that one. It's looking really good. I think it's looking better than that one. Yeah, this one does have the LG scroll compressor. Also has a 210 fan motor. And May of 2024, I should say. It was May 7th. I did a start and shutdown of this unit, using the disconnect box setup. I did not really care for that now, so I will not be doing that setup anymore. Now that I have my tripod. I actually just fell over getting the wind, but yeah. This also has all 410A refrigerant. It is a 3-ton, also from March of 2022. So, yeah. And I might be going back down to Florida in, the second week of, August. I'm not 100% sure about that, so, yeah. If not, I will not be going back there until, December or November, so, yeah. Hopefully we go back soon, because to be honest, I'd rather live there than here, but, yeah. 2015, 2.5 ton. Culprit skull. But, yeah. I think this one has a broad ocean motor. Culprit skull compressor. But, yeah. Well, without nothing else to do, I'm gonna go shut these units down. So, yeah. Alright. Alright, so there you go. Midsummer startup and shutdown of the two Trane XR14 heat pumps. So yeah, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.